So mathematics is the most beautiful and the most powerful creation of human beings. Hello intellectuals, I am Mr. Thakur and you are watching this video in Digital Maths Academy. You want power. In the previous video, I had already shown you the derivation of the multiple angle of 2, right? Sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, squat 2a. And now today is the topic trigonometric ratios of the multiple angle of 3. Before the derivation of the multiple angle of 3, we have to see the multiple angle of 2 as well. So in the previous video, I have already shown you sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a, cot 2a, all. So from the multiple angle of 2, we are going to derive the multiple angle of 3. So have a look here. Multiple angle of 3 means what? You can see here. Multiple angle of 3, actually we have to understand that sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a and cot 3a, right? So have a look here. So first of all, we have here sin 3. So here we have sin 3a equals to sin a plus 2a. Can write? Definitely a plus 2a equals to 3a. Now the compound angle formula of sin a plus b, that is sin a dot cos 2a plus cos a dot sin 2a. Now it's a sin a. So we have already proved or derived the formula of cos 2a, in the term of sin as well. So we can write cos 2a equals to what now? 1 minus 2 sin square a. Next one, here we have cos a and sin 2a equals to 2 sin a dot cos a. After that, it gives us sin a minus 2 sin qa plus cos a dot cos a means cos square a, and we have here 2 sin a, then cos square a. Likewise, we have here sin a minus 2 sin cube a plus 2 sin a and cos square a. Cos square a in the term of sin square a, we can write 1 minus sin square a. Then we have here sin a minus 2 sin cube a plus 2 sin a into 1 means 2 sin a minus 2 sin cube a. So now have a look here. Sin a plus 2 sin a gives us 3 sin a and minus 2 sin cube a minus 2 sin cube a, that gives us 4 sin cube a, isn't it? And that's the formula of sin 3a. Sin 3a equals to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Okay, and that's the formula of sin 3a. It's not to forget that, isn't it? So now from this formula, we can derive the formula of 4 sin cube a as well, isn't it? So when 4 sin cube a minus 4 sin cube a is taken to the left hand side, it becomes positive. So we can write here 4 sin cube a equals to, this comes to the left hand side and sin 3a goes to the right hand side. So we have here 3 sin a minus sin 3a. So somewhere we use this formula also, right? So when you use this formula, we have to write the formula inside the bracket, because it's the derived formula. Moving forward, let's see the formula of cos 3a, right? So we have here cos 3a. Cos 3 equals to cos a plus 2a. Then the compound angle formula of cos a plus b, that is cos a dot cos b, b means 2a here, minus sin a dot sin b, b means 2a here. After that, cos a. Now I'm just going to write the formula of cos 2a in the term of cos, right? Not to forget that cos a has 5 formulae. So here we are going to apply the formula of cos 2a in the term of cos only. So we can write here 2 cos square a, 2 cos square a, right? Minus 1. Next one is here sin a. And the formula of sin 2a means 2 sin a dot cos a. Bracket is not needed, If you write the formula inside the bracket, that will be more clear, isn't it? So we can write here cos 2a equals to 2 cos squared a minus 1 and sin 2a equals to 2 sin a dot cos a. Moving forward, we have here, just open the bracket. So we can write here 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus here sin a into sin a gives us 2 sin square a, and then we have here cos a. So we can write here 2 cos a dot sin square a, isn't it? And after that, so now I am going to change sin square a into cos square a. So we can write here 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a, and here 1 minus cos square a. So it's a very important formula, isn't it? So sin square a equals to 1 minus cos square a. Next one is 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a, right? And minus minus plus, and cos a dot cos square a gives us here 2 cos cube a, isn't it? So we have here 2 already outside. Now let's do the simplification. So 2 cos cube a plus 2 cos cube a gives us 4 cos cube a, and minus cos a minus 2 cos a gives us minus 3 cos a. So that's the formula of, cos 3a. Cos 3 equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Right? So this is the formula, not to forget that. It's a very important formula. And now the formula of cos 3a. Right? Moving forward, from this formula, we can also find the value of 4 cos cube a, right? So when to find the value of 4 cos cube a, minus 3 cos a is taken to the left hand side, and that becomes cos 3a plus 3 cos a, isn't it? So we can write here 4 cos cube a equals to cos 3a plus 3 cos a. I've already told you this formula generally we use, somewhere we use, but when we use, then not to forget to write this formula inside the bracket. Next one is tan 3a. Have a look here, right? The next one is tan 3a. Have a look here. So tan 3a. So we have here tan 3a, right? So we can write here tan 3 equals to tan a plus 3a. Sorry, a plus 2a. A plus 2a. Yes, can I write? Now the compound angle formula of tan a plus b. So we can write here tan a plus tan b, and at the place of b we have 2a, and here 1 minus tan a dot tan 2a. Not to forget, at the place of b we have 2a. Again we are going to write the formula of tan 2a, isn't it? So all of you know this formula. So we have here tan a plus tan 2a equals to what? 2 tan a over 1 minus tan square a. At the denominator as well, we have here 1 minus tan a dot 2 tan a over 1 minus tan square a. Isn't it? It's better to write inside the bracket, the formula that we have here. Tan 2a equals to 2 tan a over 1 minus tan square a. So likewise, let's do the simplification here. So we have here tan 3a equals to, have a look here. Here I'm just going to take LCM 1 minus tan square a. So this is your main line, okay? Not to forget that. And here LCM is 1 minus tan square a. Right? So we can write here tan a times this, So we can write here tan a inside the bracket 1 minus tan square a, and bracket, then you can write here plus 2 tan a. Yes, I think all of you are so expert in the work of fraction. So work of fraction is very compulsory in this case. Here it's a multiplication. So this becomes 2 tan square a, right? And now I'm going to take LCM here. That is 1 minus tan square a. And here we have 1. So 1 is directly multiplied to the LCM. That is, we can write here 1 minus tan square a. and minus, there is a multiplication, so 2 tan a dot tan a means 2 tan square a, isn't it? Now after that, just we enclose it inside the bracket and then we can cut it, right? Moving forward, let's have a look here. See carefully. Just open the bracket. So tan a into 1 is tan a minus tan cube a plus 2 tan a over here 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan square a, that gives us 1 minus 3 tan square a, right? And after that, here let's simplify. So tan a plus 2 tan a, that gives us 3 tan a minus tan cube a over 1 minus 3 tan square a, and that's the formula of tan 3a, isn't it? So not to forget that this is the formula of tan 3a. So we have here tan 3a, isn't it? Moving forward, recently we have derived the formula of tan 3a, you can see, right? Tan 3a. So not to forget that tan 3a, you know, a plus 2a, and then lastly we got the formula of tan 3a, that is 3 tan a minus tan cube a over 1 minus tan square a. Now the turn is of cot 3a. Have a look here. So in the formula of cot 3a, first we have to write here cot 3a equals to cot a plus 2a, isn't it? Now the compound angle formula of cot a plus b. So cot a plus b gives us cot a dot cot b minus 1 over cot a plus b or cot b plus a. It's nothing any difference, you know. So we can write here cot b, that is 2a, cot a means cot a itself, isn't it? So once again, I'm just going to write the formula of cot 2a, right? So not to forget that here. So we have here cot a and the formula of cot 2a, isn't it? What's the formula of cot 2a? Can you remember? So this is cot square a minus 1 over 2 cot a. It's 2 cot a, right? And here, and then minus 1. Again, we have to write here minus 1 also, you know, because cot a, cot 2a minus 1, right? Upon again cot 2a we have. So again we are going to write the formula of cot square a minus 1 over 2 cot a, and then is a plus cot a. So not to forget to write the formula inside the bracket, that is cot 2a equals to cot square a minus 1 over 2 cot a. Now just I am going to simplify it. Let's do the simplification. This is your main line, okay? So not to forget, it's a main line, right? And here it's a multiplication, so we have to multiply it, right? And then I'm going to take LCM also here. So LCM is 2 cot a. Not to forget that, okay? So there's a multiplication. So multiplication gives us here cot cube a, right, minus cot a. It's cot cube a minus cot a, and here 1 into 2 cot a, that's a LCM. So we can write here minus 2 cot a. Right, at the denominator, have a look here, 2 cot a is LCM, and here numerator is written as it is, so we can write here cot square a minus 1, and then we have to multiply this, isn't it? 2 cot a into cot a means plus 2 cot square a, right? And now we can cut these 2 cot a and cot a, of course we can cut. Now the next part, next line will be here. Have a look here, cot cube a. So we can write here cot cube a and minus cot a minus 2 cot a, that gives us minus 3 cot a over, have a look here, cot square a plus 2 cot square a, that gives us 3 cot square a and minus 1. So that's the formula of cot 3a. Have a look here, that's formula of here cot 3a. So cot 3a equals to cot cube a minus 3 cot a over 3 cot square a minus 1. That's formula of cot 3a, right? cot cube A minus 1. 3 cot square A minus 1, isn't it? So recently I have already already derived all the formulae of sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a and cot 3a, and I have written all the formula here. Okay, you can see formula of multiple angle of 3, sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a, cot 3a, 4 sin cube a, 4 cos cube a, isn't it? And thank you for watching this video. So not to forget to like, share, and if you are new, then not to forget to subscribe my channel. And one for your kind information, I am going to solve so many identities in the next part of this video. So keep watching and like, share, and you are new, then not to forget to subscribe. Have a good luck.
Digital Maths Academy in the house. SK Sir on the lead.